Introduction to Advanced Trading on Bybit Narration. Welcome to the Bybit Masterclass, where we delve into the most advanced trading techniques for the year 2024. Stay ahead of the curve as we guide you through cutting-edge strategies that can help enhance your trading portfolio and maximize your profits on Bybit. Understanding the market of 2024 narration. The trading landscape constantly evolves, and 2024 is no exception. Visual description. Opening scene with the Bybit logo animating onto the screen, followed by dynamic charts and graphs displaying trading activity. Music. An engaging and futuristic soundtrack to set the tone for innovative trading insights. Let's analyze the current market trends and the implications they have on advanced trading techniques. Understanding these trends is the first step to successful trading. Visual description. Interactive graphics showcasing market trends, statistical data, and predictive models for 2024's trading environment. Music. Thoughtful and analytical music with a steady beat that reflects a deep dive into market complexities. Strategic trade placement narration. Strategically placing trades is more crucial than ever. We'll explore how to leverage market signals and indicators to make informed decisions. Timing and position sizing can make or break a trade in 2024's volatile environment. Visual description. Tutorial-style footage showing the Bybit platform with a trader analyzing indicators and setting up trades with precision. Music. Rhythmic and focused music to accompany the detailed tutorial process. Risk management in advanced trading narration. Effective risk management sets apart the novices from the experts. In this segment, we discuss how to use stop-loss orders, take profit levels, and hedging strategies to protect your investments on Bybit. Visual description. Animations illustrate the concepts of stop-loss, take profit, and hedging, with split-screen views of both the theory and its application on the trading platform. Music. A serious and professional tone, with music that adds to the gravity of managing trading risks.